Hello, my name is Ayo, and today we're going to be talking about factoring. I'll be covering factoring monomials, prime factorization, factoring polynomials, FOIL, and factoring expressions. Factoring monomials, say we have a problem like 12ac to the second, and this is supposed to be an exponent. First we need to factor 12, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And then we'd factor ac to the second, which is ac to the second, c to the second, ac, and 1. And then we'd have to put those two things together, and that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, ac to the second, c to the second, ac, and 1. For prime factorization, if we have a problem like 7, we take like a number like 72, and then we have to split that up or factor it. And its factors are, never mind, let me reword that. The two numbers that get you to 72 are 9 times 8. And then we have to split up 9. So the two numbers that multiply to get to 9 are 3 and 3. And those are prime factors. But over here, the two numbers that you multiply to get to 8 are 2 and 4. This is a prime factor, but this isn't. So we have to split that up. So the two numbers you have to multiply to get to 4 are 2 and 2. And so all of these are prime factors. And so now we have 3 to the second times 2 to the third. For factoring polynomials, if we have a problem like 6a to the second plus 12a, then the greatest common factor of 6 and 12 is 6, and the greatest common factor of a to the second a is a. And so that would turn the equation would be 6a times quantity of a plus 2. And you know this is right because if you do 6a times a and then 6a times 2, you'll get 6a to the second plus 12a, which is the same thing we have up here. For FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, and last. And so if we have a problem like the quantity of a plus 2 times the quantity of a plus 4, first we have to like multiply the outside. So it would be a times a, which is a to the second. Then we have to, we have to multiply the first, which is a times a, which equals a to the second. Then we have to multiply the outside, which is a times 4, which equals 4a. Then we have to multiply the inside, which is 2 times a, which equals 2a. Then we have to multiply the last, which is 2 times 4, and that's 8. And so the equation becomes 2 to the second plus 4a plus 2a plus 8. And then we can shorten this to be to a to the second, and then we just add these two. So it would be 6a plus 8. Factoring expressions. If you have an expression like a to the second minus 16, then first you have to like split up a to the second. So you have the quantity of a plus something times the quantity of a minus something. And so you have to split up 16 as well. And 4 times 4 equals 16, just like a times a equals a to the second. So we put these in like the missing, or the gaps, the missing places, to get the quantity of a plus 4 times the quantity of a minus 4. And that's it. Thanks for watching.